Well, life is a balancing act in my home. Well, I am a busy mom. The days I'm off work, it's a little crazy in the morning. But on my days off, I try to utilize it with either studying and usually trying to be outside as much as I can. So I think one of the best things about Arizona it is that you have the great summers. I mean, it is hot, but it is beautiful. During the summer, prior to having solar, we had really high energy bills. My husband coming from California and us not really having a big, huge bill during the summer, that was a huge shock for us. So Hannah's the one who brought up solar to me. She wanted to just sit down and talk about it. The lease was the right choice for us because we didn't want to own it. It's convenient. We don't have to worry about it. Sunrun monitors it for us. If anything happens, they will come and fix it. So we like that part. So with all the things that I balance in my life, I always try to find ways to simplify it as well. And now that we are with Sunrun, we have so much more opportunity to do all the things we want to do with our family during the summer. So we use that extra money and have fun.